Who's that, Joni? Who's that? Is that me? Who's that? Who's that? That me? Yeah.
Watch the death stare I get when I tell him to get out of the tub.
Get out of the bathtub. Look at me. Sig, look at me. It's not time for the bath. Get out. Whoa.
My dog loves being the first one to greet my baby every morning. This is pretty much his morning routine.
My caring dad says it's time for me to get a big boy ball. This is my fastest ball, had it since I was a baby. It keeps all my smells, but dad is worried I might choke on it. I'll take the vintage, sir. Definitely not round enough. Sound is crunchy. Tastes like tennis.
Song I wrote.
Just know,
Might want to sing
never.
it note for note.
See,
Don't
ball
worry.
is not straight.
Be happy.
Roar. Here, I'll fix it.
In every life
This is going
we
to
have
take a
some
while.
trouble. When
Better
you
send
worry,
to
you
dinners.
make it double. Don't
And every time it rains, pennies from heaven.
Shooby-dooby,
Don't you know each cloud contains pennies from heaven?
shooby-dooby.
You'll find your fortune falling all over town. Be sure that your umbrella is upside down, and trade them for a package of sunshine and ravioli.
Macaroni.
If you want the things you love, you must have a pizza, baby. And when you hear thunder, don't run under a tree. There'll be pennies from heaven for you and me. Now come over here, boy, Sam. And every time it rains, and don't you know it's crocodile? Every time it rains, and don't you know it's crocodile? You find your fortune falling all over.
Are you gonna be dramatic again? Yeah. It looks like you are. Stop being dramatic. Jackson.
It's my favorite time of the week. Let's choose an activity out of my special jar. This one. Baked dog treats. Let's go. Rice flour. Oops, I made a mess. Grated carrot. Mushy banana. Dog safe peanut butter. It's my favorite, so I need to taste it. Delicious. Turn on the mixing machine. It's still wet, so I'm adding oats. Oops. Mix. Don't forget to clean the spoon. Perfect. Roll out the dough. So cute. Be careful. Wow. Let them cool. Oh golly, it's finally time. Munch munch. I'm an incredible chef boy 11/10.
7 a.m. I go down the stairs for breakfast. Go in the backyard, that's where I eat a steak. Sit on the couch and stare at something that's not there. And then I lay on your laptop so you can't do shit. And then I'll lick my butt and chew my leg some more. Then I lay upside down right on the bathroom floor. And then lay the same way right by the downstairs door. Then to the couch where I've always been. And I keep chewing and licking and staring and sitting, wondering when will I eat again.
They always ask,
what the dog doing?
but never how the dog doing.
Let's see how long it takes my deaf dog to notice I'm home.
Que tú me tienes temblando de noche y de día. Tú me hiciste brujería.
People always ask if my dog's friendly, and I always tell them no. Then they ask, is she gonna bite me? And I tell them no, worse. She's gonna judge you.
So what puppet are you gonna pick anyway?
Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny.